Presenting the 2009 Saturn Outlook. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. In addition, GM Certified comes with a 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty and a vehicle history report on this automobile. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Call today to schedule a test drive.